let's talk homebrewing, or should I say the decline of homebrewing mainly. We've heard from some suppliers, Malt Miller, David Heath, that kind of thing. They're saying there's nothing wrong with homebrewing, but the facts don't lie, do they? So stick with this video, what I'll be doing in the future. And but first, let's crack a beer. It's not homebrew. It's too hot at the moment. It's about 30 odd degrees for brewing. So we've got a hazy pale. This is from Home Bargains, 440ml can, £1.59. Bit of a bargain, that, don't you think? So we've got malts, extra pale malt, wheat and oats, hops Amarillo, Mosaic, Strata, 4.4%, tropical citrus, palate smooth. Let's crack it open, that's the main thing. And it is a channel about beer mainly, isn't it? But I've done other stuff recently, as you may well know. So let's crack it open. I stopped brewing hazy IPAs because they got too expensive. And that's another thing we're going to come round to in a minute. That looks decent enough, doesn't it? Definitely got the citrus on there. I'd say more mango than anything. Can's gone. Cheers. You know what? For £1.59, I did that video the other week. It's up at the pub. £7.25 for a 4% beer, bland and anything. That knocks absolute spots off it. So you've got Home Bargains near you, it's a UK thing, but £1.59, get yourselves there, fellas, and get yourself half a dozen for the football tomorrow. Come on, England. Come on, Ireland. Right, so basically, it was massive back in the day, talking 10 years ago, even more, longer than that. I used to like watching the likes of Craig Tube, What's Brewing UK, Big Dave. I know he passed away sadly, but it is on the decline. So my plan is in future is to buy things in bulk and just spread things out, because even in home brew shops now, my local one in Stockport that closed about, must be 7-8 years ago. Real shame. Lovely chap, Peter. So yeah, I do miss calling. They've got another one in Manchester, it's a bit further away, but they do all right. But I just find the bags of grain so expensive, so I tend to buy the online actually. Oh, my mate David in Barnsley brought me 2 sacks free of charge. It was fantastic of him. A pale malt and a Marisotto, I think it was, and a lager malt. So once this weather cools down, we'll crack some lagers out. And if I can do a beer like this, £1.59, I don't think I can. So yeah, we've heard from the suppliers, the brewers. I know the American Home Brewers Association, that's lost a third of its members recently in the last few years, so it's definitely on the decline. Is it that people are just drinking less? Or are people more health conscious? Are people thinking it's too expensive to brew anymore with the state of the ingredients? And the price of postage, don't talk about the price of postage, flipping heck. We used to do beer mail swaps, didn't we? It was £2.95, could send 2 500ml PET bottles. Nearer to 10 now, it's not even worth bothering. So that all stopped, it got so expensive. The ingredients themselves, they've just gone through the roof, haven't they? Oh, got a guest appearance of Albert here. Like I'm knock the camera over. So yeah, just, you know, like I say, we've heard from David Heath, the malt miller, people who've got a commercial interest in brewing. So what do you guys think? I'd be really pleased to know what you think. Have you stopped brewing? Do you brew less? Have you noticed other people brewing less? It just needs to be out there. So I was trying the idea of giving up myself really, but I get like this anyway now and again. Sometimes I want to brew and sometimes I don't. I feel obliged to brew now for David, but I said I'll brew some beers and take them over to him. And I might even get some footage of driving over the Woodhead Pass. It's a wonderful, wonderful route, that. Just so idyllic. And if you go off peak, you get some decent runs. Other than that, it can be quite busy. I'll tell you what, it's going down a treat, that. So yeah, just let me know. Obviously I'm in the UK, but is it the same where you live in America, Canada, New Zealand, Australia? or even Scandinavia, just let me know, and just, you know, I'd be interested to know. I think other people would be interested to know as well. Is it just, are we losing it completely? Are people scaling back? I'd be really pleased to hear your thoughts, and you know, who out there, have some of you given up completely? Because I've noticed the videos on YouTube have really died down. I've not watched as many. I've seen a couple of Dinos who's, you know, Dino's, obviously he's been around a long time and he still puts out some great content. And sometimes I feel guilty because I'll watch a video on the big screen and telly and I'll forget to comment, and I'll go and mean to comment on that. I don't always, so apologies for that, Dino, because you do put out some really good stuff and your beers are really good. And also, is the price of, like, I mean, everyone looks at the Grainfather, Brew, is it Brewfather? Brew Monk, that's another one. So people look at these and thinking, I've got to get £1,000 to get, you know, start brewing. You don't. You need a big pan, a clean fermenter, and a grain bag. That's all you need. Just keep it basic. Do a single malt and a single hop, and just try a small batch. Get a couple of demijohns, something like that. I mean, and like beautiful, like a pan. If you get like a 10-litre pan, you can do a 10-litre batch easily, and you can cool it down easily as well. You know, to put it in an ice bath. Whereas in this weather, even with your work chill, it just wouldn't cool. So I tend to do the no chill mainly. And if it's still hot, I can put it in a builder's bucket with ice water and it will cool down for the next day. So really interesting to know what you think, fellas. And you want to keep watching these videos, because I've been doing other stuff, retirement stuff, and, you know, that Lauren Hardy one, which was good fun. And I think travel may be the way to go. And I've got a walk in Scotland coming up a week, the Great Glen Way, so that should be really good. I'll try and get some footage for that. I'm going to see the Highland Games apparently. So yeah, just let me know, fellas, what your thoughts are. Is it on the decline? Is it over? Or is it a lull and will it come back? Really pleased to know. Cheers and catch you later. Lovely that.